Patrick and Chuck at Pals. Chuck, what's this Mazda in for?
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning. What's going on?
It was here a year ago, and we did an evac and recharge on it with dye, and it's a little low, which is indicating he's got a leak someplace. So we've looked for the dye at all the components under the hood, compressor, condenser, and we don't see anything. So what that tells me is that most likely it's the evaporator core in the dash that has the problem.
Now, so this car came in and had an air conditioning problem. What did we do to it the first time?
Evac and recharge with dye.
So there was no component that showed that it was bad the first time. It was just low on refrigerant.
Correct.
Put the dye into it, recharged it, and it lasted what, about a week?
No, about a year.
Oh, about a year.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's a very slow leak.
Okay. So the customer's back now, and you're thinking that the problem is in the evaporator core, which is behind the dash.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Now let me ask you a question. We live in Florida. Do we do more brakes in our shop or more air conditioning repairs in our shop?
It's a toss-up because we do a lot of brakes, but I would say definitely more air conditioning. The difference in Florida is not so much that we do more of it, it's that we do it all year round. Whereas if you live up north in Wisconsin or someplace, you're not really concerned in the wintertime about your air conditioning. But here it could be 80 degrees in December.
And you need your air conditioning.
Need your air conditioning.
Well, folks, if you've got a Mazda and it needs air conditioning work, bring it to Pals. See you soon.
See you